Meat lovers are in for a delicious treat as Landers Superstore, the fastest growing membership retail chain in the country. Landers Superstore showcase the variety and premium quality of Landers meat selection and to inspire members with the many delicious ways these meats can be prepared and elevated. At the heart of the meat section of Landers Superstore's biggest Meat Fest sale in all Landers stores and online at landers.ph. This exclusive sale allows members to save more while indulging in the finest meats from Landers' premium selection. With discounts of up to 50% OFF and buy one get one offers on a variety of local and international meats, it's the perfect opportunity to stock up for every occasion, from everyday meals to holiday feasts. Landers also hosts meat sampling treats in various Landers stores to give members a taste of what's on offer. Members will have the opportunity to sample select cuts of chicken, steaks, sausages, and pork, giving them the chance to explore new flavors and cooking ideas. Be a Landers member now to take part in the Meat Fest and enjoy all the perks that Landers Superstore has to offer. Non-members can sign up for the Landers Cashback Everywhere card, a credit card, and membership card in one. Powered by Maya, members who apply can avail of the early sign-up fee of just $500 and start earning 5% cash back on Landers purchases, plus additional rewards for dining and everyday purchases. Alternatively, members can choose the Landers Premium Membership Card for P700 or the Landers Business Membership Card for P1000, unlocking a world of exclusive discounts, rewards, and special offers. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.